Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add fade in and fade out effect to your music or audio on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have created a project on my InShot application. Then let's just add the music first. So we can tap on the music button, then click on the music button again. Then for example, I'm going to import a music from my device, so we can tap on my music. And I'm gonna go with this one, tap on the music, then click on use. Okay, and now the music has been imported, and if you want to add fade in or fade out effect, you can click on this edit button. Then you can adjust the duration of the effect right here. For the fade in, I'm going to select 4 seconds, and for the fade out effect as well, we can adjust the duration. Then after we're done, we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and now the fade in and fade out effect have been applied to our music. And alright guys, that's how we can add fade in and fade out effect to our music on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.